Hello, dear viewers. This is the Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. This is the first trading day of the month, and today is 1st of May 2024. The day is Wednesday. A lot of things going on in the market. A quick introduction about myself for those who are new here. I'm a Copy is a member of the community where we are trading. Why I say that I am a member of the community because I am trading in Copy from a very long time. And please do not confuse me as an employee of Copy. I'm just using their platform to showcase my trading ideas or say the key levels that I'm keeping on my charts. Therefore, all the things that I'm going to tell here, they have nothing to do with the Copy Bank. This is not coming from their research team. This is coming from an independent trader and analyst. Now, as a technical analyst, I know every piece of information is already on the chart, so I don't consult any fundamentals. Whatever is the news, I don't care. It is already in the chart, so we'll follow the charts for our analysis and leave everything else on the side. For this webinar, I will be using the candlestick type of charts, whereas people can use bar charts also. They give the same information, but candlesticks are a bit more useful for understanding. So we'll only stick to the candlestick charts and find out the key levels from the making and breaking of the candles. Okay, and we'll also see that how we can use those key levels in our trading setups. Now at the end of the session, I will be taking the questions from the viewers, and I would expect you to ask questions if you have any. Please do not keep the questions for yourself. In that case, you may not get the answers, and the analysis may be of no use to you then. Now I would request you to ask your questions in the chat box that is provided. In the process, please remember to guard your privacy and abide by the community guidelines. Lastly, before I start, I must tell you that everything that I say in this live stream is only for information or knowledge purpose. Please do your own research before you put your money, that is real money, on the line. So let's begin. But before I begin, I must also show you the risk disclaimer first. There is a certain level of risk associated when you are trading on the margin, because there is the leverage that is introduced in the equation then. So if you're working with the margin money, then you have to understand what is the risk involved. So please understand it and hop onto the charts only when you are aware what is the risk that is associated in trading the foreign exchange. All right, this is the first chart of the day on your screen right now. This is the dollar index. I wanted to quickly cover the levels for all the instruments that we are going to see, but I will cover dollar index in a bit more time. You see, yesterday we had upper level of 106.30. The lower level was 105.25. Today the price has broken that upper level of 106.30. What does it mean? It means that the price is still making higher low and higher high, because between these two highs, this is the highest low, so this becomes our valid low. All right, now the price has made a higher high. That means we are expecting a higher low again. That means if the price is trading above 105.25, we will only be looking for the buying positions, and if the price starts trading below 105.25, then only we will start looking for the selling opportunities. I hope that is clear. So now this can be deleted, this can be deleted, this channel itself can be deleted because the channel is broken to the upside. All right guys, that's it for the US dollar. See, I don't want to spend much time. We can spend days and months in the analysis of the dollar index, but I think that is sufficient. The lower level you have to keep an eye on is 105.25. Above this, you should only be looking for the buying opportunities. What about the pound? Today the pound is giving a very small candle, and if we have to sell this market, we have to go below 1.2448. This is the daily chart, do not forget it. Okay, now the price has started making higher highs and higher lows. Now in this process it has created a low around 1.2448. Till the time now that is not broken, we cannot be looking for the selling opportunities. So this is the one thing. Now in the process, in this process only, the price has made this high, which is 1.2569, and I think that is now your swing high. Boom boom. No, since the price is making higher highs and higher lows, we have a target here. This is behind this yellow line. When you remove this yellow line, you will understand. You can remove the channel, that is of no use now. So you see the price when it was coming down, it made this high, then it made this low. So above this price, only this high of 1.2578 is there, which is the imminent high. Later on, there will be 1.2709, which is this one. So the bias is bullish. Bias is bullish, and we will be buying till the time the price is trading above this line, 1.2448 area. Okay. So how you can look for the buying opportunities though? Well, you can go to the 1 hour time frame. This is a simple process. You don't have to complicate it. Then you see okay, so from this high the price started going lower, and when you see that this high is taken, sorry, this falling trend line is taken out, falling channel is taken out to the upside like this, but in this process it would have not broken this would have not been the price action. So if the price breaks this line, then this bullish bias goes off. So the price has to do everything above this 1.2448. If at any time the price breaks below this area or this line, then this setup is not valid. So keep an eye on that, right? So like I said, that the price, I'm expecting it to go to 1.2578, but in the process, if it breaks below 1.2448, then this setup will not be valid. So for us, resistance now is 1.2578, and the support is around 1.2448. So keep that also in your mind. So what is next is euro. I think euro is also in an uptrend. Let me check the daily chart. This is the 1 hour. All right, here comes the daily chart of the euro USD. The price here looks like it is making higher highs and higher lows, but here yesterday it made a lower low than this low, I think. So if we remove this, we see that the price made a lower low yesterday, and now it is finding it difficult for the price to go higher. Now the point of interest is that here the price made a low, here it made a high, here it made a low, then it made a high here. So I think this low is not catered. This is the valid low, it looks like, from the daily, okay, from the daily point of view. But I'm sure that when we go to the lower time frames, we will see that this is also a valid low, but that is on the lower time frames. Okay, when we switch to maybe 4 hour, we will see that that low is present there. Yes, you see on the 4 hour this low is present there. The price went lower than this. Now this price action is stopping the price from going higher, or say rejecting it at the higher levels. But at the low levels there is a buying. Even if the price comes down, I think it may find support above 1.0623. If that happens, then it's fine. If the price trades below 1.0623, then I think this euro will go to the dustbin again. So yes, the euro needs to trade above 1.0623 to go and check the 1.0885 area. If it doesn't do that, and if it breaks below 1.0623, then the level of 1.0517 will be exposed again in this market. That's it, guys. Well, we expected something like that. So 0.6456 is the area. It's not the exact level that I'm expecting the price to come to. It can even revert from here. Okay, it can happen like this also. But yes, the 50% of the retracement, I think, is over. Approximately it looks like that much is over. So let's check that. Okay, exactly at the 50% it stopped yesterday, and now it opened on the same levels. Now it is trying to go higher. So 50% is good, the retracement. So I think that's price is going to go higher. 0.6644 is the next level that we can see on this. Support is 0.6456. The resistance is 0.6587. New Zealand dollar, although doesn't look like so good. See, this is still rising, but New Zealand dollar, no. So yes, at the higher levels, I'm expecting more sell-off in the New Zealand dollar. At least a rise towards 0.5933 is good for the sellers to jump in again in this market. Although the price action is suggesting, the market structure is suggesting that any break below 0.5852 will attract the sellers. Anything above this, it will be buying only. It looks like, okay, from this price structure break, see the price was making lower highs and lower lows, and here it broke this high, and now the price is trading above this 0.5852. So I think till the time 0.5852 is holding, there is a hope for the buyers, or you can say there is a hope for the bulls. In the case of USD CHF, yesterday we have witnessed that there is a possibility of targeting 0.9245. Today the price made an intraday high around 0.9224, and it was just 22-24 pips short of the target. But yes, there is a possibility of pullback towards 0.9156 before it makes a move towards 0.9245. That is what I said yesterday also. So if anything trades below 0.9010, then there can be a sell-off in the USD CHF very soon. Talking about the USD CAD, finally came higher than the potential resistance that we were talking about. Now that resistance may turn into support, or you can say expect buying opportunities around 1.3731 area with a target of 1.3855. Now this is a very I'll say amazing price action here. The price made a low, then it was got resistance, made another low, and immediately broke this level, this high, or you can say this reaction high, and now it has broken through. So anytime the price will go to 1.3731, those who could not buy this market at around 1.3731, they would love to join in again with the target of 1.3855. So keep that in mind. USD JPY, I think the price is in consolidation. Yes. So like I said, that we can have a possible reversal from here. 153.58 may be seen in this market very soon. But till the time the price is trading in this range of 160.20 and 153.58, we should not be talking much in this. Now this is based on the say 4 hour. Let me check on the daily also. On the daily, yeah, even on the daily, this is the range, guys. New Zealand CAD, very good price action yesterday. This is what we expected. Now the next target is 0.8065. Below that also we have targeted 0.7961. So let's see how the things unfold. But right now 0.8065 is exposed in this market, New Zealand CAD. On the higher side, we can expect the price to go towards 0.8169, which is a crucial level of resistance. Bitcoin, well, it has started a move towards the dustbin, and dustbin is sitting around 50,578. So I think that is the level which I would love to see that level, 50,578, after this price action here. So any rise in the Bitcoin now should be seen as a selling opportunity, nothing else. Clean price action, clean price action. Brent, did we expect the down move? I cannot say so if you don't check my previous live stream. So go back if you have the time and energy to go through them. We have a live stream of only 10 to 15 to 20 minutes in the last week. So yes, this was the critical trend line. I was expecting this trend line to hold, and it doesn't look like intraday that it is holding. But if it holds from on the daily closing basis, we can expect the up move from here. But since you see, look at the volumes at the downside, okay, where this price is breaking, the volumes are increasing. That means this sell off is being accompanied by the increase in volumes. Now what does it mean? It means that the lower prices are inevitable. That is 81.11 is what I'm expecting minimum. If the price trades below that, then we can expect 76.66 also in this market. So keep an eye keep an eye on this one. Even if it starts rising from here tomorrow, then look for a selling opportunity in this confluence of the resistance. Confluence is 84.61 and this trend line. So these are this is the confluence of resistance here, right? Samtar, or the red points pivot points or resistance and support? No, they are not pivot points. They are simple resistance, support and resistance levels. They are the previous swing highs and lows. These are not pivot points, my friend. These are created by me like this. Okay, like this. But this is not a critical level, so I'll just delete this. Okay, so why this, you might be asking that why price marker of 84.61 is there on my chart, right? So you may have this question. So that question we can answer by going here, that when the price was trading above like this, the price went lower, made a high here, then it went lower, so we marked this level on our chart, 84.62. Thereafter we expected this level to be broken to the upside, then came back to this to test it as a support, but that level was not tested exactly and price made a low here. So we said that this low, till the time this low is holding, that is our swing, upswing, and that level is exactly 84.613. All right, now since the price has broken this level, that means those who are long here, they are out of the market or they have booked their positions. If they have booked their positions, those maybe if they're good money, then maybe they are short from here. But if they continue going lower, then those who could not sell it at the higher prices, they would like to sell it again here. So that's why if the price comes back to 84.61 tomorrow or maybe day after, that may be a selling opportunity for you to enter this bandwagon, to join this Bharat again, the target of 81.11. This is the first target, and if the price keeps trading below this, then 76.66 is the next level. If some points are especially important, can you please explain them then? Yes, mostly I explain them. Yes, thank you. These are nothing, but I don't want to make it difficult, so I will just tell you beforehand. They are nothing, just the previous swing highs and swing lows. Okay, like there are three levels here you might be interested in. This is the next level. This is the previous low that the price made. In between these two highs, this was the low. That's why I made this one. Now before this, you see this level. So this is again a swing low. Why it is a swing low? Because this high and this high, between these two highs, this is the highest low. So in the same manner, when you keep going in any market, okay, I will just for you, Sam, I'm trying something. Say the price is in an uptrend. Okay, when we can say that the price is in an uptrend, if it is making higher high and higher low, but higher than what? Previous one. Yes, previous one. So if this is the case, then something like this would have been here. Yes, so this is higher high and this is higher low. But if the price is coming like this, that means it was what? Higher high. This is lower high or lower low, whatever you say. Actually, something like this was happening when the price came down. So higher high, lower low, lower high, because this low high is lower than this one. Yes, then it made a lower low here, then it made a higher low here, higher high here. Sorry, this one is not higher than this one. Okay, I did everything wrong here. So you see the price was going down, okay, and it was making lower high and lower low. I think this is the basic. then this is lower high than the previous one, then this is the lower low than the previous one, and this is the lower high than the previous one, and this is the lower low than the previous one, and then price made this. This is a higher high than this one, yes or no? So between these two highs, this is the highest low, so this becomes your first level. All right, now after that the price made a low and a high. So this low is not established until and unless the price breaks higher than this high. So if it makes a higher high, then this one is a valid low, so you make this also an important level. Why this is an important level? Because last time when the sellers pushed the pressure, the buyers could reverse the price from here. Next time, if the sellers put the pressure and the buyers fail to push the price higher and the price breaks lower, then that means the sellers are now in control of the market. Yes, what does it mean? It means that if they say they could take price here, but those who were buyers, they could not sell or they could not participate in this market. So whenever this will go back again to the same level or approximately the same area, then those who could not sell, they will try to sell again. Yes or no? They would like to join this bandwagon or this, and this is how the price continues: lower highs, lower lows, like that. All right, I hope that is understood. Let's go to the price now. Okay, so here what has happened is the sellers have put enough pressure to push these buyers out of market, or at least their stop losses are now triggered. So when they would like to enter the market again at these prices, when they get an opportunity, when they see that something like selling is happening again, and there is also more than one reason for the sellers to enter this market here, because there is one, mostly the broken support turns into resistance. Second is this trend line break. The trend line is also a dynamic resistance. So when the price comes here, the more and more sellers would like to join this bandwagon and push the prices lower. That is what my expectation is. And the volumes are also in line with the falling prices. So when the volumes are rising and the prices are falling, this is an indication that it may continue for some more days. Yeah. So let's see what happens tomorrow and day after. I'm expecting 81.11 and later on 76.66 in this market. What about the gold? Something similar is happening in the gold, but today it seems like it is holding. I think any pullback to the upside should be seen as a selling opportunity based on this price action where the price is making lower highs and lower lows. Now, if you take a longer term, you will see that actual support area is around 2157, and if you consider this as the swing, then it is 2228. So if the price is trading above this and breaks this falling channel, which you may call a consolidation, then yes, there is a probability of the gold going higher. Whereas the volumes are lowering, so you can say that something like this is happening. Can you see this? Where the price was not even going lower, not even going higher. So eventually, boom, something like this happened. And here also, for some days, the price did consolidate here and then boom. So this consolidation is going more for more than few days. So expect a move higher. If the consolidation doesn't result in a down move, then this can be just a consolidation from where the price may move higher. That's it, guys. Japanese index, we are expecting lower prices 36,693. Below this 35,676. We are expecting lower prices in the Japanese index based on these technicals. Okay, so any up move should be seen as a selling opportunity. 38,278 is the resistance. 36,693 is the support. Euro versus yen is also consolidating, just like US dollar against the yen is consolidating. Well, this price action on day before yesterday, there was a big range established in the market from 165.65 to all the way to 171.619. So till the time the price is consolidating in this range, I don't think that we should be looking for any long or short market in this one. I think we should stay away. The volumes have degraded, so just stay away from this market for some time. GBP/AUD, yesterday we discussed that the price has started going up. 1.9313 was the resistance, and the price may stay in this in this range for a few days before they go up again. You see, the price has broken the market structure here. So I think any fall close to 1.2 or 9220 area may be seen as a buying opportunity by the buyers to push the prices higher. That is what I'm expecting here now. Although I am bearish on the pound in the longer run. So, but the charts are saying the otherwise. I think the charts are saying that we are going higher. Let's check the monthly. What is happening in the monthly? Well, from the monthly, it looks like the price is going lower. From monthly, it looks like that the price is going lower because the market structure on the monthly is a sell. On the weekly, boom, boom, boom. This was a buy, this was a sell. On the weekly also, it is a sell. So it is very difficult for me now. On the weekly, it is a sell. Right now, on the daily, it is creating a buying. So I think wait for the market structure to turn bearish again. So I think that will be a good idea if you want to trade in this cross. CHF JPY, we are bearish on this one for a long time, but this price action has put us in a situation where there's a question mark or big question mark on our head. So we don't know what is to be done with this market. So I will say stay away from this one. Okay, this is dangerous. So if something is dangerous, just stay away from this one. Audi New Zealand, well, I think we have talked about this, that there's a very good price action to the upside. This is weekly. Let's go to the daily, and we are expecting some churning of price here before it breaks higher. Why this churning can happen? Because on the monthly time frame, the Audi and New Zealand are Australian dollar is an uptrend against New Zealand dollar, whereas there is a big weekly trend line coming up from here, and the policymakers may book their positions or say try to sell short here, but the price action is bullish. The price action is suggesting higher highs and higher lows. Now, till the time the price action doesn't become bearish, we cannot sell this market, right? We cannot sell this market. So I'm expecting a lot of consolidation here before it breaks higher. Now, if it breaks higher, 1.1069 and 1.1088 will be the next targets. Although we have multiple, but these will be the initial targets on our charts. From the downside, I think this 1.0974 should be seen as a support for this price. That's all, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know before I just wrap up this session. By the way, Sam, if you're still here, may I know where are you from? Germany. Nice one. So, guys, we have Sam from Germany. Thank you, Sam, for your time here. I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. The best advice that you can get from me is please do not risk more than 1% of your entire equity or entire capital on any one trade. Even if it is going to give you a lot of profits, just risk 1% for that, and look for a potential profit of at least 3 times of the risk that you are going to take. Like if you are risking 1%, expect 3%. If your setup doesn't provide 3%, just leave the setup. Okay, there will be more trades, there will be more profits. So with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and please consider subscribing to my channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow at same time, that is 1700 GMT. Bye bye. Till then, take care.